excited to announce our new projects today. It's called Collection Rouse. We've done very successful launching it and very proud of these new iconic projects in Rouse. So come to check out display at 49 Terry Road. I'll see you guys then.
We're extremely excited to bring this wonderful offering to the area of Rouse Hill, a great quality product, and it's a wonderful turnout today to see many families appreciate the quality of this wonderful display suite. And the attraction here is the connectivity and the convenience and the amenity of this wonderful project. Thank you.